Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On April 25th, Tuesday, the feast day of Saint Mark, and in Italy, a civil holiday commemorating the liberation from Nazi fascism, the Feast of the Mary Seat of Wisdom UPS VP was celebrated. The Blessed Zeffirino Namuncura community, which is a new presence as far as location is concerned, was chosen as the venue for the feast. In fact, the International Community of Theology students, which until last June was located at Via Tiburtina 994 inside the Salesian Institute Teresa Gerini, has been at Via della Buffalota 550, 4 kilometers from the Salesian University since last September. The work was an institute and land of the Guanelilans, which was purchased last year by the Rector Major and his council as a home for the community of theology students, a new headquarters for the general postulation, and to provide hospitality, especially for confreres and members of the Salesian family. The festive day was spent under the banner of gratitude. Important jubilee anniversaries of many Salesians were celebrated, and a sense of fraternity and belonging was cemented among Salesians from so many provinces and vice provinces who live and study in the 8 communities that make up the UPS VP. In total, more than 270 people attended. The Festa Ragazzi of the Salesian youth movement, experienced by 500 girls and boys from all the oratories of Sicily, took place in the city of San Cataldo on Sunday 16th of April. It was a day full of joy, fun, reflection and prayer in the true spirit of the Salesian youth movement. The event of 16th April was aimed in particular at middle school children who are approaching Don Bosco's charism for the first time. The welcome was provided by the large and friendly community of San Cataldo, together with the animators of the Salesian Oratory of Mazzarino. The theme of the day was, "Where there is courtyard, there is home." Hashtag a cas anona caso, based on the certainty that only when you are in the courtyard do you feel at home. Don Giovanni di Andrea, superior of the Salesian province of Sicily, spoke at the feast, recalling the beauty of experiencing baptism in one's daily life, not only in the oratory but also at school, with friends, in the family, and to be credible Christians, as Blessed Rosario Livitino said. Sister Angela Maria Massioni, provincial of the FMA of Sicily, in her greeting to the young people, wished them all to cultivate the gift of friendship and to always continue their journey towards Jesus. After this joyous day, the Salesian youth movement of Sicily is already looking to the next appointment, the Campo Savio, scheduled for next summer. The Salesian past pupils of Bogota in Colombia have offered recognition to the Mother General of the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA, Mother 3, Chiara Cazula, who is in Colombia just these days to take part in the Feast of Gratitude 2023. The Mother General was awarded a plaque and awarded the Medal of Merit of the Salesian Institute Leon XIII in the name of Father John Jero Gomez Rua, Superior of the Salesian Province of Colombia, Bogota, COB. Furthermore, you have been given a diploma of recognition for your merits in favor of peace and for your commitment within the Salesian family. Like every year, the 3 oratories of Constanta, Bacau and Chinau met for the customary MTS meeting, from the acronym of Salesian Youth Movement in Romanian. The event this year took place last April 21st to 23rd at the Salesian Work in Constanta and was attended by about 200 people, including animators, educators and several Salesian cooperators. The program was very intense, marked by games, fraternal moments, workshops and sharing, all according to the Salesian style that follows Don Bosco's formula for holiness, cheerfulness, study and piety. The central moment of the meeting was Saturday morning, with a moment of reflection that summarized the formative theme that the 3 Salesian oratories followed this year. Walk with your feet on the ground, but dwell in heaven with your heart. At the conclusion of these 3 days, an appointment was made for next year's MTS meeting to be held in Chisinau, Moldova. On Sunday, 16th of April, the provincial meeting of the Hogares Don Bosco HDB, a church movement of married couples and family apostolate born within Salesian spirituality, was held in Puerto Llano, Spain. The couples from the groups of Atocha, El Plantio Valdepenas, Funia Brada and Aranjuez were very well received by the group from the Puertolano houses, who together with the director of the house, Father Sergio Orter, and the Salesian cooperators and past pupils of Don Bosco, made the meeting a true day of family and Salesian family. During the time of reflection in small groups, participants shared their reflections, experiences and initiatives on the role of the laity and the family in the life of home and the local or diocesan church. We heard resounding expressions that are very familiar to us in our Salesian charism, vocation, being leaven, accompaniment, discernment, sense of church, public presence, cultivation of the interior spiritual life, social dimension of faith, management of temporal affairs according to God, rethinking and assuming the lay vocation, courageously opening paths in the life of the church, and protagonism of the laity, because the laity is not the one who stands on the sidelines, nor the one who waits to be told what to do, the participants said. Father Orter then led the visit to the Salesian house in Puertolano, and then came time for a time of agape and fraternity among all, complete with spontaneous games and tournaments. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.